So I just let him move backwards there a bit. Yes, that's just him protesting the work. So now I'm just keeping him moving. If he stops moving his feet and he got away with that, it would have been a problem. So now I'm going to focus more on keeping his head tilted towards me so he can't turn his butt towards me like that. And when he does, I can just pull on his head. Come on. There we go. There we go. So that's what I want.